Get your fingers ready for the hardcore gaming session. You're more into listening to music? Oh, we have a barbecue party outdoors this weekend. There's a couple of things that'll help you capture the best moments. All the prices you'll find by clicking the links in the description below. How many times did you wish you were invisible? This shield can do that in some way. Long story short, it uses a precision-engineered lens array that smears the background light onto the front side. As a result, when you put this thing in front of you, you become invisible. Just what you need when taking pics or playing hide and seek. There are several sizes, and the biggest one can hide several people. Not bad. This thing over here will change the way you enjoy your music. It lets you access your music without your smartphone or any other mobile device. A touch-sensitive display provides you with all the controls like playing or pausing the song or toggling to the next track. On the bottom of the screen, there are 4 quick access buttons that you can customize to your needs. This thing can also double as a smart remote to control your lighting and temperature. But the most satisfying thing is definitely turning the outer ring to control the volume. This is the donut you've always wanted, or better say, Dronut. This bimotor drone is amazingly maneuverable and can access those places where ordinary drones have never gone before. Moving around a person without hitting? Okay. Getting close to the difficult-to-reach places without any damage? No problem. The best part is that it'll stream you high-def video and collect LiDAR data, so you can see what's going on with your sensitive equipment. This is a previous model, and it's no less impressive. There are some built-in lights to operate in low-light conditions, and it's strong enough to work in nasty weather. Can your drone do that? Where to put all your belongings when jogging? On your waist, that's obvious, but you need that special belt first. It's easy to wear, just put it on like ordinary clothes. It has 4 slide-in pockets where you can keep all the essentials, be that a phone, a bottle of water, some cards, and so on. The elastic fabric won't let the essentials fall out, but there's a hook for those who are still afraid of losing some tiny things like keys and flash drives. Now your arms and legs are free for working out. Take a look. It's something every gamer will appreciate. It's a mechanical, programmable, ergonomic keyboard with mechanical key switches and onboard programmability. The biggest pro, though, is that it's split into 2 halves for better shoulder ergonomics. The other pro is that you can customize it endlessly. You can adjust its tilt to make it most comfortable to your hands, or you can swap out the switches for any key without much effort. And of course, you can program multiple functions for every single key. The keyboard comes with integrated wrist rests, but you can fold them out of the way where they cleverly attach magnetically to the underside of the keyboard. The key clusters with hotkeys also add several points to the comfort and speed. You'll be unstoppable on your next gaming session. Chemistry time! Have you ever heard of radon? The thing is, radon is the #1 cause of lung cancer among non-smokers, according to EPA estimates. Nearly 1 in 15 houses in the US face the radon problem due to low ventilation and new cracks in the foundation. As a result, it's responsible for 3.5% of total cancer deaths every year in the US. The biggest problem is that the gas cannot be detected by human senses because it's colorless, odorless, and tasteless. That's why it's a must to continuously monitor radon levels at your home or in the office the right way. Okay, but how? EcoQube will do that for you. This device is a CES 2021 Innovation Award honoree, and it'll precisely measure the level of radon in real time. Using a patented radon detection technology, it'll show you in the user-friendly app the slightest differences. For example, when you open the window and let fresh air come in it, and all that within just 10 minutes. Aside from that, there's a 3-color LED on the body that'll make the info glanceable, and you'll get a notification on your smartphone if action is required. Just plug the device into the socket and connect to your Wi-Fi router. Who could have thought such a small, stylish cube on your desk may prevent such a major health issue as lung cancer? It's time to set some green accents on your desktop, on your monitor to be precise. This is a desktop monitor vine planner. It adds not only a beautiful aesthetic, but also living greenery to your workspace. Since it has a transparent design, maintaining your plant will be a piece of cake. You know exactly when to water the soil with the included watering syringe. Anything's wrong? Make a photo and get a detailed prescription on how to take care of your green friend. A full-spectrum LED grow light gives your vine the light it needs. Additionally, it measures 1.4 inches in diameter. This provides just enough greenery without taking up too much space. You'll notice so much growth, and you can even put your hands in the holes to feel your beautiful plant with your fingers. It's time to upgrade your home office with this sleek and functional lap desk. So first, it provides a really wide surface that fits any laptop up to 17 inches. There's a drawer underneath where you can keep some office supplies. You need an additional screen, you say? Place an iPad into a special slot that allows both vertical and horizontal positioning. And when you feel you need to take a little rest, just take the included bookshelf to read your favorite book with comfort. Last but not least, when you don't need it, just fold it and put it somewhere under the bed. This one's for those who set a lot and say they don't have time for the gym. This thing will loosen your muscles properly without even getting out of your chair. So this is a 10-piece set that you need to fix on any chair you have nearby. That's it. Now you can train your chest, arms, and even legs. There are 4 resistance fans in the kit, so when you want to pump the blood flow, just add them to the set. And if you would have full training, remove them. Stop saying you don't have time and don't skip your training. This one's for all the musicians out there. It's a hybrid between an audio effect and an electronic musical instrument. So the controller allows you to reorder any kind of musical input in real time. From now on, the user's not simply enabling a particular sound effect, but has to actively and skillfully play the instrument to yield good results. There's a whole bunch of ports so the gadget can be hooked up to any device, giving you much artistic freedom. From drum machines to synthesizers, from a single track on your mixer to the master output, you won't need much space. You can play this thing on the go, and you can use this thing right out of the box. That's a bargain. Cooking time. This thing will help you cook your favorite medium rare steak, even if you don't have the slightest idea how to do that. Well, everything's pretty simple here. Download the dedicated app, choose the type of meat you're about to cook, set the temperature, and so on. Then pair the device with the app and insert the probe into the meat. Done. The thermometer features smart LED technology that guides you through a 4-color food progression spectrum, telling you that you're 15 or 5 degrees away from the meal. The app also tracks the cooking process, showing you the temperature in real time. With 150 hours of battery life, you're about to cook a lot of masterpieces. Ran out of water in the middle of the ocean? Oops. Don't panic, this device will save you from dehydration. So it's a portable, manually powered device that'll turn seawater into drinkable fresh water. It features an innovative technology that combines a hydraulic system, triple pre-filtration, and a small reverse osmosis membrane. All these small details altogether help to desalinate seawater into fresh water, so take this thing on your next voyage, you won't feel thirsty again. Do we have French breakfast lovers here? This gadget offers the best, the smallest, and the most portable way to enjoy brewed coffee. Drop a scoop of your favorite ground coffee into your mug, add hot water, pop in the straw, and voila! Thanks to this device, you'll be able to catch the best taste of coffee. One more pro is that drinking your beverages this way will reduce harm to your teeth. This thing is actually suitable for drinking leaf tea, juices with seeds, and cocktails with fruits and mint leaves. Keeping the straw clean is easy. Just rinse it under the tap water. Nice! Meet your new trainer that'll keep an eye on your heart rate. So first, wear the device on your wrist, elbow, or your chest, depending on the type of activity. Then activate it and start your workout. The tracker uses ECG sensors and PPG sensors to calculate your heart rate and then shows the results with a particular light indicator. You can see which zone you're in without breaking your flow. If there's anything you need to correct, you can do that before you get injured. Cool. The device is compatible with a wide range of thickness apps where you can track your progress. The battery capacity is enough to run up to 6 months on one charge, and there are several color straps to choose from. This gadget is about 2 things most people love: travel and coffee. With this portable kit, you'll be able to enjoy top-quality coffee everywhere you stay. So the kit includes an electric kettle, a mug, and a grounds container. They're all neatly stored inside each other, and the durable case protects your kit while carrying. Now, making your coffee will be really easy. The mug holds up to 12 ounces and comes with its own lid if you like sipping on the go. Thanks to this gadget, your evenings on the patio will become even warmer. Made of stainless steel, the heater's built to last, and the anti-tilt design will prevent the gadget from falling. The knob in the upper part will adjust the heat level, and a one-touch ignition system allows you to light the heater by pressing a single button. At the bottom, there's a compartment for a gas cylinder, which is comfy. Of course, safety is completely thought through. If the flame accidentally extinguishes, the gas source will immediately turn off. Finally, the device has 2 wheels for smooth mobility and comfortable carry. Nice! Beach time! Too worried about your essentials that can be either strewn with sand or even stolen? This beach vault is your special secret place that'll keep all your belongings safe and sound. Just screw it into the sand, just like an ordinary screw. Then put all the necessary things inside and close the lid. There's enough space for your tablet, wallet, speaker, keys, and many other things. One more pro is that all your gadgets will be protected from direct sunlight and heat. There's also a pocket for quick access to your phone. So cool. How many moments were left uncaptured just because there were no free hands to film them? It's not an excuse anymore. This is the most portable action cam you can ever imagine. Want to clip it to your cap? Here you go. Need to wear it like a bracelet on your wrist and adjust the angle? No problem. Oh please, you can even clip the cam to your glasses. Whatever the place, you'll get super wide and crisp 4K videos and pics. And without hands, just press the button, start shooting. After that, watch the video in the dedicated app and share the best moments on social media. It's that easy. Your music is the best buddy for all your outdoor activities, and now it's ready to travel with you wherever you go. Looking like a piece of military equipment from the Cyberpunk game, this is actually a powerful Bluetooth speaker. It's extremely tough, featuring a full metal body and water protection, 6 hours of playtime on one charge. Not bad for something that small. On top of all that, this thing also has an integrated flashlight. But the best part is definitely that cool RGB lighting and a fidget spinner on the body to reduce the stress. Mobile working is our new reality, but changing your working places may sometimes turn into a hassle. This leather bookstrap organizer will keep your essentials together in one spot without any bolt. It's double-sided. The front part features a name card compartment and some slots for stationery and accessories. The other side, there are 2 large compartments for your mobile devices and a pen holder slot. The organizer easily fits A5 notebooks, iPads, and even 15-inch laptops. There's also that small card wallet as a bonus. So first, what we like about this lamp is the look. Of course, everything is easy to customize with a button in the upper part of the lamp and a toggle switch at the bottom. But the coolest part is that the lamp comes with a detachable lamp head. You can attach it to the magnetic charging port at the top of the lamp, or simply hold it in your hand like a flashlight. As you see, the upper part is 90-degree rotatable, so you can adjust the angle of the light. Mortal Kombat would look way more epic if the characters used these things. These are the polycarbonate sticks that feature super bright, fully programmable LEDs. Each of them can be individually set in the special software according to the music and choreography. Sounds a bit boring until the moment you start to spin the device. When spinning, LEDs produce these mesmerizing patterns, but you can also set them to show some particular pics and logos. Cool. The device works for around 2 hours on full brightness, but if you want to spend a bit more without charging, just lower the brightness. This way, the device will work up to 32 hours. Oh, and pick your weapon, a boy, a bow, or a fan. Numbers don't lie. The harder you've trained, the better results you have. But how to track them? When you're jogging, for example, so any kind of stuff on you or in your hands is unwelcoming. You can clip this tracker right on your shoelaces and then see the results in the dedicated app on your smartphone. It's that simple. Here you'll see all kinds of data you need like power, distance, leg spring stiffness, and so on. What's cool? The device also helps to build a better pace since it takes into account where and how the wind blows. Let the wind be at your back. This gadget may put an end to your night rage to the French, so these are just 2 plates with a steel cable that you attach to your chiller. Yep, just like that. There are 2 keys in the kit because the device was originally designed to keep children away from sensitive things like prescription meds that parents keep in the fridge. But the reality is completely different, and now you're sitting here with us and starving because your girlfriend lost the whole set of keys. Now, it's impossible to tear the plate off. The adhesive is too strong.